Hi Elite family, this video is to show you how to find your stake address. So we're going to show you today how to do that in Daedalus, Yoroi and Adalite. First of all, this is Daedalus. Open up your wallet, go to the delegation center, go across to rewards, and here is your stake address. Next, let's go to Yoroi, open up your Yoroi wallet, go across to the receive tab, down the left hand side to reward. Here is your stake address. And finally, here's Adalite. Open up Adalite wallet, go across to advanced, and here is the stake address under reward address. Any questions, join the Telegram chat, and we're more than happy to help. Thanks very much.